Say goodbye to diabetes. Black cumin or Nigella sativa. People used the black cumin seeds in ancient Egypt. Today, these seeds are known to be one of the most effective herbs which can be used to treat and prevent diabetes and many different diseases and help you with many different health problems. Many people also call this herb the cure of all diseases because it's used to treat many different health conditions and problems. More than 200 studies have found and proven the health benefits of this remarkable seed. The black cumin seed has many health benefits and it is very useful in treating different diseases, especially the autoimmune health problems such as multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, asthma, allergic rhinitis. This amazing herb is also very useful in lowering the high blood pressure. It reduces the number of triglycerides and cholesterol levels, reduces the symptoms of diabetes, cancer, poor circulation, fatigue, and etc. Black cumin contains over 100 compounds in its tiny seed. The active ingredients include the phytonutrients, crystalline nigellone, thymoquinone, and beta-sitosterol. In addition, they also contain B vitamins and minerals, calcium, zinc, copper, and iron. Cumin improves insulin production and sensitivity. Animal studies showed that black cumin was able to lower blood glucose levels in two other ways. First, black cumin triggers the secretion of insulin from pancreas, and second, by enhancing the sensitivity of insulin in skeletal muscles, liver cells, and also increased glucose uptake by muscular tissues. The presence of the phytonutrient thymoquinone is the key factor in cumin's glucose-lowering effect. The medical experts have also found that this herb is also very useful in alleviating the allergy symptoms, allergic rhinitis, and allergic asthma. The black seed oil expands the airways and makes breathing much easier. Its antibiotic properties prevent the development of secondary bacterial infections, which often appear with some allergies. This herb helps your body to prepare itself against all types of allergies in all natural and safe way. You can also use this amazing oil to lower your blood sugar levels by stimulating the pancreas to secrete insulin, and it also increases the cell's sensitivity to it. You will notice its amazing effects, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. In the last few years, the medical experts have also found that black cumin seed has also powerful anti-tumor properties and that it can be used in treating cancer because it acts directly on the cancer cells and it boosts up the immune system in the human body. This amazing and super healthy herb is very useful and it can provide many health benefits for the human body. Take some black cumin seeds in a bowl. Take a bowl, add some water and allow it to boil. Now add 2 tablespoons of black cumin seeds and boil for 5 more minutes. Now filter this water into a glass. Black cumin seed water is ready to drink. Drink this water daily early in the morning by empty stomach. By doing this regularly, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.